Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, I read my smartphones are not connecting to Windows 10. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. My phone is Mi4. Click download. Click download. Extract files to desktop or any other location. Extract files to desktop or any other location. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Right-click Android under Other Device. Click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for driver software. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click Next. Click Have Disk. Browse your Mi driver location. Click Open. Click OK. Click Android ADB interface. Click Next, Yes. Click Install. Android ADB interface is successfully installed on your system. Click Portable Device. Your device is displayed under Portable Device. Open My Computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.